So we're trying this cacao pod. I've never had a cacao pod before. This one came to me yellow and then it sat in the fridge for about a week, so it's kind of browned. I've seen a video of somebody opening this with their bare hands. I'm gonna try it. Doesn't feel like I'm gonna be able to do that. No, we're just gonna have to cut it. I've heard that the way you can tell these are ripe is like if you can feel the can you feel that? You can feel it like moving around inside.
Yes.
All right. Everybody can see my cooking skills.
You're doing great.
I might be cutting some of the beans too. Yeah, there's no way I was gonna be able to do this with my hands.
No. It was still fun to watch though.
There we go.
Oh heck!
Yeah, so that's what it looks like on the inside.
That's sick as heck.
And so
I just put one in my mouth?
yeah, you can do that. You can just eat the pulp, apparently, and so you probably get a bean too. And I think that some traditional ways to have this is like a drink. It smells very sweet. I'm gonna try planting these. I was hoping that it was gonna be a little easier to separate the beans from the pulp.
Maybe one that's fresher, so it's not as...
Maybe.
But it's kind of slimy.
Oh, it's super slimy.
Which is why it's hard to get it detached.
Mm-hmm. It's not bad. It's definitely different.
So, what do with this bit?
Oh, the shell?
Yeah.
We'll just compost it.
Oh, okay.
Because like what they do with the farms, you've probably seen a few videos of they just throw it at the base of the tree and it composts back down into nutrients for the trees.
Yeah, I didn't think about that when I watched the video, but yes.
Oh yeah.
Sick.
So yeah. There's cacao nibs in a cacao bean.
Who would have freaking thought?
I don't know. I couldn't have guessed.
On one of those days. And then you get all the cacao.
I was gonna say, so the question is, do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what would I not?
Thumbs up.
Such a personality.